now we are getting ready, so I'm gonna go get it started to move everything away and then start to lay out the exterior walls on the basement. All right, so we'll see you later.
Let's get started.
Let's get started. Alright, so now all of the playroom is clean. So I'm ready to move to the next step. So laying out the walls.
As you can see, there used to be some walls here.
Yeah.
This is the outline. Yeah. Now, for some reason, there isn't.
Watch your fingers. Okay?
Okay.
Just look at your fingers, don't look at anything else, okay?
Okay, now what are you gonna do, Daddy?
So now I'm gonna go up. So I have my lines, you can film it. I have my straight
We
line.
got these lines, and same with the roof. That's we use the same tool for the roof too. And it's all the way to this here to here, and then there to here, and then there to there, and then on the roof. Oh yeah. Here to the other.
I need the same line. So now I'm going to have this line that I have here. I want to have the same line that going to be on the top. You just don't touch this. You're just gonna tell me whether it is on the line or not. Okay? So you're just gonna tell me whether it is on the line or not. So obviously this is not yet. Okay, I need to go farther, right? It's kind of shaking. Mika, don't step on the line, please. No, you don't touch it, Baba. You don't force it.
Okay,
Just
so a
leave it.
little bit.
So this is gonna help us just to get a straight line. So then I need to put
Yeah, it's to the line.
get this straight right here. And it's gonna be a line.
Yeah, that's the line.
Okay, that's enough, Baba. Okay, that's enough. So now, which means, this is math. Because you have this line, it's a straight, like from this line. So when I have a wall is going to go up, and it's going to be very straight wall. Right? All right. So now I finished doing all of the layout,
Framing.
and we're gonna head to the next step, which is framing. So framing, I'm gonna have myself out, and then we're gonna start to do this stuff.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.